Okay, day 2. We got a new way to solve. Get your notes out. Oh, there. I'm going. Okay, bye. Everybody got notes out? Okay. Today we're going to solve by elimination. Yesterday we solved by substitution. Today we're doing elimination. If you want, you can star these steps. Pretty much all we're going to do is eliminate a variable. Okay? I think that's a lot of mumbo jumbo for stuff that's super duper fun. Ew? Sure. Is that what you just said? Not fun? No, it's super fun. Okay, so we're just going to jump right in. Elimination. What does the word elimination mean? Get rid of. Get rid of, yeah. So like in this first one, do you see something with the same number out front? 4 and negative 4. So if I want to get rid of that, I can just add these two equations. So what's 4x plus a negative 4x? 0. So we just kind of cross them out. Then we got to go through and add everything else. So what's 2y plus 3y? 5y. Then we got my equal sign. 25, 9 plus 16, 25. And how do I get y by itself? Divide by 5, so y equals 2. What? Just kidding. Don't mess with me like that. Are you copying this down, bud?
Not at all.
Where's that? Add two equations together. Okay, just like we did yesterday, I am not done. I gotta take this y equals 5 and plug it back in. It doesn't matter which one you plugged in because we eliminated. So the top one? Nobody likes negative signs. So I plug it in there. So I pretty much just rewrite my equation like yesterday, except for now I have a number. So 4x plus 2 instead of y, I'm gonna write what? 5 equals 9.
4x plus 10 equals
4x plus 10. Oh, forgot my one. Equals 9. Then what? Minus 10. 4x equals negative 1. Then what? Divide by 4 and I get x equals. Do you guys like fractions or decimals?
fractions. For these.
That was actually kind of surprising, not gonna lie. Negative 1/4. What? Oh. Questions there? So many questions, like what?
Yeah, do you have to check it?
Sure do have to check it. I'm so glad you asked, Molly. Great. Isn't it? Alright, let's plug. Why are you laughing? Let's plug in the top one. We got 4 times negative 1/4 plus 2 times 5. And I want that to be 9. Four times negative 1/4 gives me negative 1. 2 times 5 gives me 10. It is 9. Woo! Am I done? No! Gotta check on the other one. Gotta do both. First one's good. Why do the second one? Negative 4 times negative 1/4 plus 3 times 5 equals 16. Negative 4 times negative 1/4 gives me 1. 3 times 5, 15. Does it equal 16? Yeah. And then just like yesterday, we got to write them in point form, which is negative 1/4, comma, 5. What do we think? Not too bad? Questions so far? We're good?
Mm-hmm.
Stop.
I know how to do the next one.
Can I stop doing this?
Yeah.
No.
The next one's funner.
Funner is funner a word?
Hey,
Funner is not a
quiet.
word. More fun.
This is math class, not English class.
You know what? We try to encourage all subject areas. Alright. Does anybody see a problem with this one?
Yup.
Yeah, what?
You times it with the
Oh no, what's the
same
problem? What's the problem? Not the solution, what's the problem?
There's no common.
number.
There's no common number up front. Okay? So what we gotta do is make a common number.
So you have to times it by a number that the same.
Yeah, we gotta
Or
times by a
negative.
number that makes the same. I like to do the lowest number. Also, I prefer x's. I don't know. So I try to cancel x's. If I wanted to cancel x's, what's my common number gonna be? 6. Yeah. So if I want to get this top 2x to be 6x, what am I gonna have to multiply by?
3.
By 3. So I'm gonna take this whole equation and multiply it by 3. Okay, so let's do that. If I multiply the whole thing by 3, I get 6x plus 21y equals 12. The whole thing. Everything gets multiplied by 3. Okay? Positive. I'm trying to get my x's to cancel, so what do I need to multiply the bottom one by?
Negative 2.
Negative, positive?
Negative 2.
To be honest, it doesn't matter. What do you guys want to do, negative 2 or positive 2? Positive 2? Okay. We multiply by positive 2, I get 6x, and then plus 10y, and that equals negative 10. Okay, what's cool about the elimination method is that I can add them together to cancel, or I can subtract. To cancel my 6x, am I going to have to add or subtract? Subtract. So remember what symbol you're using, okay? If you want to do multiply by negative and add, that's totally fine. You'll get to the same place, okay? We're going to subtract. So 6x minus 6x, what happens? 0, they cancel out. And then I have 21y minus 10y. 11y. 12 minus a negative 10, 22. Good. So y is how much? 2. Questions?
So if you would have added, you can add or subtract it and it doesn't matter.
So like this one you can't add because 6x plus 6x is 12x.
Okay.
But if you multiplied this by negative 2, it would be like a negative 6x minus 10y plus 10. And then you could add that way.
X's have to be 0 no matter what.
Well, x's or y's, either
Okay.
one. But don't cancel like this stuff. Cancel variable stuff.
Okay.
Is that? Yeah. Okay. Okay. What do I have to do with my y? Plug it in. It doesn't matter if you plug it in here or here. I like to go with what I'm originally given with, so I don't make any mistakes. So I'll plug in the top one. 2x plus 7. My y is 2, so 7 times 2 equals 4. I have 2x plus what? 14 equals 4. Then what? 2x equals negative 10, subtract from 14, good. And how much is x? Negative 5. Am I done? No.
You have to check the other one.
Check it.
Making stuff hard.
I'm making stuff hard. Like what? By making it
Yeah, we already know it's right.
Okay, let's do it all together then. Okay, 2 times negative 5 gives me what?
If we're smart enough, we're gonna get to it.
Negative 10 plus 7 times 2 is 14. Does it equal 4?
Yeah.
Yeah. Bottom one, 3 times. No, okay. Too fast. Does it work?
Yes.
That means I need to write my answer in point form. Negative 5, comma, 2. Questions, questions, questions. You're done already?
Yup.
Speedy. Alright. No questions here?
Nope.
Okay. What do you guys want to cancel on this one? X's or Y's?
X's.
X's. What do you want to multiply the top by?
5.
5. What do you want to multiply the bottom by?
-3.
-3. We'll try -1. Good idea. Okay. Let's do top equation first. If I multiply by 5, I get how much X? What's 3x times 5? 15x. What's 7 times 5? 35. Why? Ooh, 15 times 5. Nice. Okay, good on top?
No.
Was that a no or
I said no.
Alright, for multiplying by -3, what is 5 times -3? -15x. And then I get a minus 6y and a positive 12. Okay. Should I add or subtract?
Subtract.
Add. Add is the only way for x's to cancel. 15 plus a -15. Shoop. 35y plus a -6y. 29y. And 75 plus 12? 87. Y equals 3 divided by 29. Y equals 3. Questions? None? What do I gotta do next? Plug it in. Plug it in top or bottom? Top, okay. 3x, it doesn't matter here, right? Plus 7 times 3 equals 15. 3x plus 21 equals 15. 3x equals how much? Negative what? Then what? X equals -2. Am I done?
Yes. No.
For you slackers, we're done. We're gonna check it.
Well, do we always have to write it?
No name call.
No. No name calling, sorry. 3 times -2. It works. 3 times -2 is -6. 7 times 3 is 21. What's -6 plus 21? 15. Shit, no, not that. 5 times -2 is -10. 2 times 3 is 6. -10 plus 6 is -4. It works. Write your answer as a 1. Questions? Okay. Sometimes, why isn't this moving? You get nothing. Sometimes you get nonsense. Like 0 equals 0. Or 0 equals 15. Stuff that doesn't make sense, stuff you don't know how to do it. When you get 0 equals 0, that means infinitely many solutions. That means they are the same line. If I get 0 equals 15, that's nonsense, right? That means there's no solution. So they are parallel. Oh yeah. 2 more problems. Okay, problem 6. This left stuff, okay, chill. Should I add or subtract? Add. -3x plus 3x. 0. Plus y. Plus a -y.
Equals 0.
-5 plus 5. 0. 0 equals 0. How many solutions do I have?
No.
Infinitely many. many solutions. Can you write IMS? Is that what you're gonna ask? Were you really? Second. Yeah, sure. Good there? Last one, add or subtract. Add. Hold on till. Negative 4x plus 4x. 0. Negative 6y plus 6y. 6 plus 10.
16.
Does 0 equal 16?
No solution.
Nonsense. No solution. Questions? None? No one? None?
Nope.
Nada.
Nada?